Hello students. Today we are going to learn weekdays names, months names and planets names in French in very easy and accessible way. So starting with lesson number 8 of book French for Kids 2 is
Je grandis chaque jour, chaque mois, chaque année.
means I am growing every day, every month, every year. In this we will learn how to say days of the week, month names and many more in French.
Alors commençons.
Means let's begin. So starting with the first page, here's an example of a boy named Ayush. He born on 4th January 2001 on Friday. After some days his grandmother said that her grandson is 14 days old. How is she calculating and mentioning the age? She is calculating with the help of day's name, that is Friday, names of the month, that is January, and the year, that is 2001. There are 7 days in a week. Look carefully, let's learn the days of the week in French. Let's start with the days of the week, so if you want to say this in French you have to say.
Les jours de la semaine.
Monday is.
Lundi,
In French. Tuesday is.
mardi,
In French. Wednesday is.
mercredi,
In French. Thursday is.
jeudi,
In French. Friday is.
vendredi,
In French. Saturday is.
samedi,
In French. Sunday is.
dimanche.
Weekdays in French are same as planets name like.
Lundi,
Is same as.
lune,
Which is moon.
mardi,
Is same as.
mars,
Which is Mars.
mercredi,
Is same as.
mercure,
Which is Mercury.
jeudi,
Is same as.
Jupiter,
Which is Jupiter.
vendredi,
Is same as.
Vénus,
Which is Venus.
samedi,
Is same as.
Saturne,
Which is Saturn.
dimanche,
Which is Sunday is same as.
soleil.
Which is Sun. These are the days of the week and names of planets in French. Now on second page it is mentioned that after 5 weeks the grandmother of Ayush said that now her grandson is a month old after the month of January. As we all know there are 12 months in a year. Let's learn months of the year in French. Look carefully and try to understand and repeat after me. I'll pronounce every month name clearly. But remember one thing, weekdays and months names start by small letters in French. If you want to wish someone by saying happy birthday, you have to say
Bon anniversaire.
let's start. So January is.
Janvier,
In French. February is.
février,
In French. March is.
mars,
In French. April is.
avril,
In French. May is.
mai,
In French. June is.
juin,
In French. July is.
juillet,
In French. August is.
août,
In French. September is.
septembre,
In French. October is.
octobre,
In French. November is.
novembre,
In French. December is.
décembre.
After passing each and every month, Ayush is now 1 year old, from January 2001 to January 2002. I hope you all must have understood the days of the week and month names in French. Now moving to exercise part.
À vous.
Exercise 1. Students will write their and their family members' name and birth dates in English and French both. Example is given for them. In this question, you have to write your family member's name and birth dates in both languages, English and French, in the given table. But you have to remember one thing, that French dates always start by
Le.
Now, exercise 2. Fill the boxes. In this question, you can see there are many blank boxes like a word puzzle, and on the other side there are 7 words which are in jumbled form. You have to rearrange the words and write them in their given boxes in the series because these are days of the week. In French, we can say
Les jours de la semaine.
I hope you all must have enjoyed a lot learning French in this video.